Hello everyone, welcome back to our HSK1 series. In today's lesson, we are going to study chapter number 4. The chapter name is 她是我的汉语老师。她是我的汉语老师。She is 她，这个是她 for female. She is my 我的汉语 Chinese 老师 teacher. So, 她是我的汉语老师。In this chapter, we will learn how to ask who is she or he, how to talk about nationality, how to say classmate and friend, and how to use the important grammar practice the, this one. So let's start our first lesson. Our fourth lesson of HSK 1. Before we move to the text, let's review some important words. First important word is tha. Chigashi tha for male. Tha. This one tha is for male. Tha. This one tha. Did you see? The characters are different. This tha is for female and this tha is for male. Tha. This one answer is B. And tha. This one answer is E. Thong shui. Thong shui mean classmates. Answer is C. The third one answer is C. After that, Phangyo mean friends. The fourth activity answer is F. Fifth one is Hanyu Laoshi, Chinese teacher. The answer is D. And the last one is Chungo Phangyo, Chinese friends. They all are Chinese, so the sixth one answer is A. There is B, E, C, F, D and A. Also, you can see from here, tha, she, her. This one tha and this one tha is different. Their characters are different. Say mean who. Say who. The possessive practical. And hanyu laoshi, Chinese teacher. Thong shui, classmate. Phangyo, friends. Na, which. Go, country. Na, this is the question, practical. Na. Now we can going forward to our T-Ikha, text 1. T-Ikha. Zai, Chao Shi. So, in the classroom, Zai mean right now that one thing or that one person is here on that one place. Chao Xiao Shi in the classroom. So, 她是谁? Who is she? 她是谁? Who is she? 她是我的汉语老师. She is my Chinese teacher. 大叫 Her name is Li Ye. Her name is Li Ye. 大叫 Li Ye. Here we learn 她是谁? 她是我的汉语老师. My teacher, 我的老师. My teacher, 我的老师. My mean 我的. So the new words are tha. This tha is for she, her. Say, who, whom. The used after an attribute means when we are going to introduce something by ourselves, that thing is ours. Like that, this one book is mine. 这个是我的，这个是我的。书 mean book. And the fourth one, last one is Hanyu, Chinese language, Chinese, Hanyu, Chinese. Now, let's moving forward to the second text. Text 2. Zai tu shu guan in the library. Tu shu guan means library. Shu guan, shu mean book. Tu shu guan, library. Zai tu shu guan, in the library. So the question is, Nishi Nagoran, which country are you from? Ni matlab you. Nishi Nagoran, which country are you from? Washi Maigoran, Washe Maigoran, I am from the United States. Nina, what about you? Washe Chungoran, I am Chinese. So the final is Nishi Nagoran, Washe Maigoran, Nina, Washe Chungoran. In this step, we have three new words: na, which, go, country, nation, and na used at the end of the question. There. Nina, what about you? Nina, what about you? In this area, we explain how to ask about nationality, which country from you are, and how the structure. Nishi, Nagaran, Wasu, Maigo, Run. Run mean people. For example, I am Chinese, Wasu, Chungoran, and I am American, Washi, Maigoran. Nina, what about you? So, after you listen this lecture, you need to practice by yourself with your friends or some online platforms like ChatGPT or some other artificial intelligence tools, because everything needs practice. Now let's start the last text. The Sankha Zai Chao Pian mean photo. Zai Chao Pian, looking at the photo. 他是谁? Who is she? Sorry, who is he? 这个是他 for male. 他是谁? 他是我同学. He is my classmate. 同学 mean classmate. Thana, what about he? Sorry, what about she? Because this one tha is for female. I'm so sorry for that, because sometimes we are confusing in these areas, because the opinions are same, but the Chinese characters are different. So that's why. Thana, what about her? Tha she ni thongxue ma? Is she your classmate? Tha bu shiwa thongxue. No, she is not my classmate. Tha she wa phangyo. She is my friend. So we can repeat again. Tashi said, who is he? Tashiwa Tongshui. He is my class fellow. Thana, what about her? Tashi ni Tongshui ma? Is she your classmate? Tabushiwa Tongshui. No, she is not my classmate. Tashiwa Phangyo. She is my friend. And the new words are, we have three new words in this area. Tha, he, because we already discussed Chigashi tha for female in the one text. Ti, ikh. So, Chigashi tha for male, Chigashi Tongshui, classmate, Pangyo, friends. So, today we learned in the chapter 4, HSK 1, who is she? Tha shi shai. Which country are you from? Nishi Nagoran. Possession with the, negative sentence with bu, question mark with ma, and question practical with na. Very important structures for daily communication. You can practice like Tashi wada Pangyo, Tashi wada Laoshi, Washi Pakistandaran means I am from Pakistan, so Washi Pakistandaran. If you are from another country, you just need to say Washi blah blah daran. So, Thabushi Vathangshwe. Try to make your own sentences. So, today we completed HSK 1, Chapter 4. Thashi Wada Hanyu Laushi. Now you can ask who someone is, talk about nationality, say classmates or friend. Thongshwe Ha Phangyo. Ha mean or. Thongshwe Ha Phangyo. Use the correctly make negative and question sentences. Very good job for everyone. If you complete all your tasks. If you enjoy this session, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next class. Zaijian.